Today we're starting on this. This is going to be quite the project. We're going to be pulling the engine on this 1963 Ford Falcon and sending it off to Blueprint to have rebuilt. I really think this is going to be a good video, so stay tuned. Right there. In my car show video, there's a little glimpse of this car in just a little bit of the section of the video. It says, this might be featured on the channel soon. Well, here it is. It is being featured on the channel. This is a 1963 Ford Falcon, and under the hood, there's a little bit of a surprise. This is a 347 stroker engine put into this tiny little Ford Falcon. What I need to do is I need to pull this engine. We took the valve cover off and there's two bent rods and I believe the piston's broken in half. I'm going to pull this engine today. Hopefully we're going to get it sent off and rebuilt and then we'll put it back in later.